Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to create a payment form in WordPress using a third-party plugin. Whether you are selling a product, accepting donations or offering service, this is beginner-friendly video for you. So without any further ado, let's get started step by step. So first of all, let's talk about install the formatter plugin, the third-party plugin we are talking about. But before that, you can see we have a couple of plugins here and they have by default form options. But we are going to use another third-party app for make our payment system more equivalent with our WordPress site. So here we are using Elementor and MailChimp for WooCommerce, then WooCommerce, and last one is WooPayments. So WooPayments is also a payments receiving platform, but in here we are going to use a new third-party plugin that called Forminator plugin. So you just need to be install that plugin in here. So that for reason you just need to be click over here to add plugin option. Once you did, then it will redirect you to the next page, and here you can search for payments form like this way, payments form, and then you will get a couple of forms in here. You will able to see those plugin and that place in this interface. So you just need to be wait a bit. Once it load, then you will get all of them in here. So into the top you can see there is the options to call formatter forms, and then we have WP forms, that fluent forms. All are really amazing. You can see that both have 5-star review and all have 6 million active installations, then similar 6,000 active installations, similarly 6,100 active installations. So you can choose any of them, but right now for the purpose of the video I am going to install this Forminator forms for our users. So you just need to be click over here in install. Once you did, then you just need to be activate it in your device, and Formatter will now be visible in the left sidebar for you. So it sometimes take time, so you just need to be wait a bit to complete the process of install. So here actually you can see it will take a couple of minutes. Once it installed, then you just need to be activated it. Here you can see the button already been changed. Instead of the install now, right now we are getting activated. You just need to be click over here, and then you can see the left corner here a new thing will be added. So here you can see this is the formatter. If I go to the dashboard, here you can see this is the dashboard. So into the next step, we are going to create a new payment form for our website. So that for reason you just need to click on formatter, then go to the forms. Once you come over here, and then you just need to be click the create new button. Here you can see we have this add new button. You just need to be click over here, and from that place you just need to be choose payment form. So here we have a couple of forms like customer service, business corporation, custom form, event registrations, NGO, education, marketing, and many more. So from that place you can search the payment form, also payment. So from here you just need to be choose one that is similar to that, and then give your form a name like online payment and just click create, and that's it for that. You can add fields for your form, like let's choose a form that is completely blank. So I will click over here create blank form, and from that place I'm going to give the name that will be online payment form, and here you can see it already been done. Now here I just need to be insert fields, so I will click over here, and from that place I will choose the name, then I will choose email, then phone number, and into the last we can choose drop downs or ready versions if you have service options. If not, you can leave it as it has. Next you can add payment field, like click insert fields, and then here you just need to be choose your payment options, like it could be Stripe or PayPal. So here you can see we have both like Stripe and PayPal. I am going to choose both, and then just click insert fields, and here you can see it already been insert here perfectly. So now you just need to connect a payment gateway here. You just need to go to the integration tab onto the top. So here you just need to be publish it, or you can preview it. Once you did, then you just need to come over here to the integrations. Once you come over here, you are now connected to any third-party apps. You can connect to the above apps by API. So from that option, you can integrate your PayPal or Stripe depending on what you use. For Stripe, you just need to click Stripe and then store your published and secret keys from your Stripe account. For PayPal, you just need to click activate PayPal, and then you just need to enter your PayPal email address and choose between sandbox for testing or live mode, and then save the integrations. So here I'm going to click on publish. Once it did, then here I get a code. I just need to copy this code and I will paste it here for further use. So here you can see this is the field options where we can easily add fields. Then here you can see if this form includes a Stripe or PayPal field that needs to be configured. If you wish to accept payments through this form, you set it up, click the button below and remove the payment fields from the form. So here you just need to click this setting and you can edit the field here. You can change the USD, you can make the visibility, you can customize it, you can make it card, Alipay, PayPal, you can make it radio, you can make it accordion. It's totally up to you. So I will choose that one. It's quite good. Then you can go to the setting and from that place you can make it dynamic, and here you just need to provide your details. It is optional, it is not the thing, you will leave it as it. Then here we have product and plans. You can add the products, you can give the value, and that's it for now. And once it's done, then here you just need to come over here to the page to paste it here. So let's configure the notification right now. You just need to click the email notification here, just click this one and set admin notification would receive from submission alert, and you can also send confirmations email to users, and then customize the subject and body with smart tags and save all the settings here properly. And now let's talk about how you can publish the form on a page. I already mentioned you in the video. You just need to click this publish button, hit that button and you will get a shortcut like this. As you can see, I already get this. I will copy this one and you just need to copy that shortcut and just arrive onto the page. And once you click over here, you can add a new page or you can go with the existing one. You just need to click this one. This is an existing one, and you just need to paste the shortcut into your shortcut panel. So let's say I'm going to add in here. So I will click this plus button and from that place I will search for the shortcut, and here actually you can see we already get this shortcut, and I will remove rest of them. Here I will click this one and just click to the publish, and it already been published. So now you can visit that page. I will click over here page and you can see the page already been showing. So that is so much amazing one. So you can test the payment form. You visit your page in an incognito tab and fill out the form and make a test payment. You are using sandbox mode, use test and card details. Make sure the payment goes through and you receive the email notification. So that's how you can create a payment form in WordPress using a third-party plugin in 2025. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I'll catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.